Hi kids, how are you? So today we will learn grammar regarding articles. Have you heard the word articles? Now I will tell you what are articles. Okay? Can you see the screen over here? The word a, an and the. These words we call as articles. Now what are they? Let's see. Now read the sentence. The flower is red. Can you see the article the written over there? Yeah. Then the next sentence, let's take this is an orange. Can you see the article orange over N over there? Yeah. Next. So a and the, these are things which we use. These three letters or these three words we call it as articles. Now when are they used? See in this sentence. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Over here, can you see the articles? Just after the articles, which are the words you see? Flower, orange. What are these things? Yeah, these are nouns. Correct. So articles. Which are the articles? A and the. And when we use the article A, we use the article a just before a word which begins with consonants. What are consonants, kids? You know, from A to Z there are 5 vowels. Other than that, all others are known as consonants. So if just before a article or if a noun starts with a consonant, the first letter of the noun is a consonant, then we have to use the word before it. The article which we need to use is a. Clear? For example, see over here, a cow, a buffalo, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Got it? Now let's talk about a n. Now kids, if the first letter of the noun is a vowel. Now what are vowels? You already know. It is A, E, I, O, U. Any word which starts from a vowel. Before that you cannot use A. You have to use A, N. Okay? A letter, a noun which starts with a vowel. You need to use A, N. See an example over here. An apple, an elephant. Why? Because the first letter of the noun apple starts with A. The first letter noun elephant starts with E. So we require to use A, N. Now over here also see an ice cream, an otter. Correct? So when a vowel is there first letter of a noun, we require to use an. If it's a consonant, we will use a. Clear, kids? So today, this is what you need to learn. And one more thing, kids, remember. Articles a and an, they are used only when the nouns are in singular form. Clear? If the nouns are in singular form, then only we can use the articles a and an. Clear? Yeah. So next we will continue tomorrow.